This will be a speed test between the LG G8 versus the Pocophone F1. Now the LG G8, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 6 gigs of RAM, Android 9 Pie on this device. Now the Pocophone F1, this was probably the best budget device you can get in 2018. Snapdragon 845, this one has 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of MyUI. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical messages. Identical again. Camera. We'll do it like this. And let's go. And give that to the LG. Clock on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome and the Xiaomi browser, go. We'll go ahead and search for GSM Arena. And let's go. Looking at the progress bar. You guys are the judges. Maybe the F1 was faster. This ad came up first on this one. Slow down the video for me. We'll go to the bottom and click on the desktop version. Looking at the bar again. Very identical performance. Slow down the video for me. Pinch to zoom. And ooh, F1 a little bit stuttery here. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Not as smooth that I've seen in the past on this phone. Interesting. Maybe it's just a one-off, as you can see. And in comparison, the LG G8, nice and buttery smooth, as you can see on the pinch to zoom. And do this one again on the Pocophone. Yeah, a little bit stuttery today. Not sure if that's a one-off. The calculator. Identical, pretty much. Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the G8. Now, where's my favorite app? Here it is, the annoying TikTok app, my favorite. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. Maybe the G8, slow down the video for me. We'll click on the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, dead heat. We'll click on this MacBook Pro, or MacBook Air, rather. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Give this to the LG. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Loading first on G8, and we'll give this to the G8. Subway Surf. Loading first on the G8, and give the win to the G8 on this. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both devices. Ooh, LG G8's ahead. Will the F1 catch it? It does not. And give the win to the LG on this. PUBG. Let's go. G8's ahead. Loading on the G8. I think the G8's gonna win this by a mile. And give the win to the LG on this. Loading on the F1 still. Lagging here a little bit. There we go. But keep in mind the price of this handset. Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and choose, since summer is only a month away or so, a couple of months away. It's gonna come up, I'm gonna click on that filter, and I'm gonna jack up this filter all the way, and click on this on both. I'm gonna go ahead and save the gallery on both, and see which one will do it faster. And let's go. A little bit faster on the LG G8, F1 not that far behind though. Twitter. Ooh, give that to the F1. Instagram. LG. Snapchat, LG. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now both have 6 gigs of RAM. I do like how Xiaomi does their app switching here. Very cool. So we'll just go through the RAMs again and see what happens. Twitter still there, the Photoshop still there, PUBG, good to go on both as you can see. Angry Birds 2, same place. Subway Surf, same place. No, I don't know what happened to the G8 on this. Oh, it reloaded that game. Temple Run 2, and another reload on the LG. Oh, not looking good. Mario Run, same place on both. eBay, same place on both. Amazon, same place. Play Store, still there. Calculator, ooh, a little bit of a lag on the G8 on that one. The browsers on both, same place. Yeah, this one is, the pinch to zoom is jittery for some reason. Not sure why that is. Super smooth on the LG G8. Clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. The camera, there you have it. Messages, I think that was faster on the F1. And the phone app, give that to the F1, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular matchup. Are you an LG fan? Do you like LG phones? Are you rocking the brand new LG G8? This phone does not have a camera hump in the back, which I think is pretty cool. This has the unique motion gestures feature, which is kind of weird, but it's cool at the same time. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Wide angle camera, as you come to expect from a latest LG flagship. Or do you have yourself the Xiaomi Pocophone F1? Now this device was probably the quote-unquote best budget phone you can get for 2018. Snapdragon 845. This one has 6 gigs of RAM. They have another version with a carbon fiber looking back with 8 gigs of RAM. Bang for a buck on this phone, it's pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.